Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from A Menagerie of Stitches. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a single crochet. As you can see here, I've already worked up a circle and I'm just going to be making single crochets into each of these stitches until I hit the end of the round. The top of a single crochet stitch looks like a sideways V. You have a front loop and a back loop. For single crochets, we're going to be working under both of the loops. So I'm going to insert my hook into this loop. That is my working yarn. I'm going to insert my hook under both of these loops. So you can see that I have the front loop and the back loop on the hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and there's going to be two on my hook now. Then yarn over again and pull through both of those loops. And that is a single crochet. So let's do that again. Insert your hook underneath both of the loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. And that is how you make a single crochet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and free patterns. Happy crocheting, friends!